Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Food Dinners. And finally, after 6 months at home and that shitty hectic job, I'm back on another food trail. And today we are in Madhapur near the Chapala Pulusu restaurant. Is it near or at? I think I should learn English properly. I'm very weak at propositions, man. Fuck. Nonsense. Anyways, so we are at the Chapala Pulusu restaurant, and I think the people are probably worrying about DJ thing. So DJ Dave was like, you know what? 6 months back he was like, man, you can't make videos with me anymore. If you make with me, you're going to be a celebrity. I don't want you to be a celebrity. So now he is handling the camera, and I think you can probably hear a shout now. So shout out DJ Taste.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, bang. So anyways, now let's go in and check out the Chapala Pulusu with ultimate dishes. Bang.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to.
Where we are inside the Chapala Pulusu, and right in front of me is the fish thali. We've got fried fish and rice, bundi raita, curd, rasam, sambar, and it is papu. And this is the bottle gourd, sorakai, favorite of Baba. Cut that shit. And this is the pachadi. I think this is tomato and chili. And coming to a non-vegetarian side, the seafood side, this is the fish iguru. You can look at the density of the gravy. Gravy is awesome. And they've got 2 fish pieces. And look at this. I'm waiting to dig into it. And the smell of kaju is like hitting my nostrils, and the nostrils are like, man, we are high. And the third item on the list is the prawn masala. Oh yeah, look at this. For 249 rupees, this is worth the quantity. And veg shit again, veg rice. And now I think we need to start up. And bang on, the rice is served with fish curry, and this is the fish iguru. Iguru is like to be precise in layman terms, it's like a stew of Andhra Pradesh. Ara yamman unnara bhai, crazy undi be. Oh yeah, awesome. The way I like it, it's super spicy, and man. And this one, this is the prawn masala. And now, first bite. Let's mix it up with the rice. When you eat Andhra food, this is how you have to eat it. Otherwise, people will scold you. You people are misusing our traditions. Nonsense. The fish piece is here. The gravy is mixed in the rice. And now, it's time for the epic taste test. 1, 2, 3, and ultimate day gone. For the first dish itself, I am high right now. Oh my goodness, this is super awesome, man. The fish is fried well. The gravy consists of a lot of coconut, a lot of cashew paste, and the main spice that is touching our taste buds is the green pepper. Ah man, this is super awesome. Did I say green pepper? No, cut that shit. This is black pepper. And somewhere down the line, I even touched. I even touched the. Why will I touch it? I can even taste the cardamom pods. Oh my god! And people, outside whenever they eat biryani or whatever, and when they have cardamom in their stuff, they'll be like, man, they'll catch the waiter's collar and they'll slap him too, and they'll tell him that, man, you have ruined our food. But for me, if there is cardamom in anything, I'll be like, oh man, thank you so much for adding.
నువ్వు కొట్టావా ఏ డౌటా అదే కన్ఫర్మ్ నేను వస్తాను బాబు.
And now, epic man. But the only disappointment is that I think they should have gone a bit lighter with the amount of salt they have added into it. The salt is, I felt that the salt is, I think, too much for me, but I don't know about others. Anyways, curry is awesome. And now coming to the prawn masala. Oh my god. I know. Man, this is lit, dude. Oh, killer, man. I'm Bart Simpson. Who the hell are you? ఆహా, భోజనాలు అంటే ఇలా ఉండాలండి, అంతేగాని ఒక పప్పు పెట్టేసి ఒక సాంబార్ పెట్టేసి అన్నం పెట్టేసి తినంటారా అంటే ఎవరు తింటారా? ఇట్లా ఉండాలా భోజనం అంటే. చూడండి ఎంత మంచిగా పెట్టారు. For those of you who don't understand Telugu, let it be. Areo, kira kundi be. This is lit. Ultimate. I love prawns more than the fish. Prawns are succulent and juicy. Bang on. Now coming to prawns, the masala is typical. I can taste some sourness because of the tomatoes they have added into it. The amount of spice that they have added, especially the red chilies and the black pepper, that will hit your throat over here, and you can literally feel the pepper dancing on your throat. It will be catching your throat and it will be pulling the strings like a veena. But coming to the prawns, man, these are super fresh. Man, you throw me into this restaurant, man. I want to work for these people. Ultimate food. How can they serve this epic food, man? Anyways, now let's go to the next dish. And the fish, coming to the fish, you have a fish fry and the typical fish masala curry. I can't believe this. How can this be so awesome? Man, generally if you go to a restaurant, mostly the gravy is all will be the same. But over here, oh my goodness, this is so awesome, man. The gravy over here is made of it has a lot of tamarind into it, and telling you, if you want to have spicy food, please do come to this restaurant, okay? Ultimate seafood, man. Ultimate spicy and ultimate seafood. So, what are both the same? Ultimate spicy and ultimate seafood. I think you have to combine both of them. Anyways, now let's try the fish fry. Kabhi khushi, kabhi fish.
వాచ్మన్ కాల్ ద పోలీస్. కొడతారేంటి? ఎందుకు కొడతారు సార్?
అరే ఏంది బే, ఇంత కిరాకుండా ఏంది బే? Literally, I think in my videos, the best fish fry I've ever had was in the Nagabhushnam restaurant, if you remember. If you did not watch the video, please do watch the video, link in the description. And the fish fry over here, it's it, man. It's super amazing, awesome. Oh my goodness. All this is because of the marination process that they have taken. I think this has been marinated around 4 to 5 hours before cooking it, frying it. But sensational, man. Why am I having it with the rice? No, it should be enjoyed with your mouth, not with the rice. And now, if I eat all of this, DJs will come and slap me. So, don't worry, prawns, your gravy is not going to mix.
Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to.
And for all those people who will say now that మా బనోమ వాళ్ళు డబ్బు తిన్నాయండి, మీరు ఎడం చేత్తో సర్వ్ చేసుకున్నారంటే మా చేతులు ఖాళీ కాలే, ఏం బీకాలి. For those of you who don't understand Telugu, let it be. Learn Telugu and watch. Anyways, time to mix it up with the booming boom rice.
All the feelings.
అరే దిమాగ్ ఖరాబ్ అయిపోయింది. అంత కిరాక్ ఎట్లుంటుంది. అల్టిమేట్ డిషెస్ ఇస్ the fish. I think this is rohu, rawal. Anyways, the fish that has been used in the fry and the fish that has been used in the curry are both of the same. And both of the same or one and the same? Man, I should learn English, man. This fucking call center jobs now, they'll make your English shitty. So I have to be good at prepositions. Okay. Anyway, people who are telling that I should go and learn English, I accepted my fault. So enjoy. Okay. But coming to the taste, God, this is super yummy. Did you see that? How can this be so awesome? I don't even want to throw these thorns or bones or whatever you call them. I love to call them as thorns. But man, this is mainly sourced on tamarind, dude. Ultimate justice. And I think they have added tomato onion gravy as well, because of which it has got its color. And look at the oil. It's floating on the top. Oh my goodness. అమ్మా ఇట్లా ఉంటుందిరా ఫుడ్ అంటే, అంతేగాని ఆ 60 రూపాయల ఫుడ్ ఇస్తుందని చెప్పి అక్కడ కొట్టుకొని పోతే ఏదో ఇట్లానే ఉంటుంది పరిస్థితి. అందుకనే అప్పుడప్పుడు తినాలా మంచిగా. అండ్ బ్యాంగ్ ఆన్, we got the king of the dishes tray. Look at this beast. First up, what we got to do is నిమ్మకాయ తినాలి, జారిపోతాయి. డ్రాప్. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇట్లా పట్టుకొని ఇట్లా ఇరిచి ఫస్ట్ వాసన పీల్చాలి. బ్రీత్ ఇన్ అండ్ బ్రీత్ అవుట్ డూడ్. బొగ్గు వాసన తప్ప ఏం రాదు. రోస్ట్ ఫ్రై ఇది ఏమనుకుంటారా. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే అరే I want to work here, dude. This is awesome. Ultimate hot, ultimate awesome, ultimate juicy, ultimate succulent. Now let me break this. Look at this beast. It's gonna break up. So let's break up, oh Mary Jaan. Let's break up, oh Mary Jaan. And you know how we have to eat it? Let them see, I don't care. ఇట్లానే తినాలి crab అంటే. You have to eat it like this. కాళ్ళు ఎట్లా ఇవ్వబట్టాలి తెలుసా. You have to break the claws of the crab in this way. ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వ. Man, this is ultimate tandoor, man. Ultimate barbecuing in tandoor. Oh my goodness, this is super awesome. Especially the smoky flavor is hitting a lot, and this is not that spicy as compared to this fish and prawns, but taste is literally fucking awesome, dude. You gotta come and try it, dude. Why am I calling dude? Why am I calling dude? Anyways, I think I'm high right now. This crab has literally filled my brain with ultimate awesomeness. Now I'm going to get TRIPPED. No. Now I'm going to get CRABBED crab.
ఈరోజు నా సోడా నేనే కొట్టుకుంటాను. సోడా కొట్టడం అంటే పీజీ పాస్ అయినంత ఈజీ కాదురా.
Now it's time for the boom boom. Awesome. Boom, look at these. I love these, dude. The Banta sodas. It's been a very long time that I've had one of these. And now coming to the review of the food that we have had today in Chapalapulsu. Ultimate food, man. I never expected that this awesome taste I'll be getting over here to taste. So anyways, now comes the review.
నీకు ఇప్పుడు చాలా సింపుల్ విషయం చెప్తానమాట. అది వినగానే డింగ్ మన జ్ఞానబలి పెరిగిపోద్ది నీకు.
First dish, what did we have? I think it was Hey, no, Iguru's place was Chapala Iguru, and the Chapala Iguru was ultimate on spice. It hit my throat very badly, but I don't complain when it is spicy, right? So, but the only disappointment with the Chapala Iguru was that it was a bit salty. So, I'd be giving it a 4/5, but ultimate. Iguru was awesome. And next, coming to the prawn masala. The prawn masala was epic, the highlight of the day. But this is just a highlight. Okay, there's another king called the crab tandoori. Oh my goodness, that was epic, dude. The tenderness of the meat of the crab was like fucking hell. Oh my goodness, that was like, oh my god, it blew my mind up. And coming to the fish thali had nothing much in it. It just had a fish curry with fish fry. The fish curry that was in the fish thali had the same gravy which was of the prawn masala. So both of the gravies were same. So anyways, the taste was awesome. So the fish thali would be rated on 4 out of 5. Coming to the prawn masala, 5/5. The crab, ultimate. I can't describe it in words. It's amazing. And last but not least, the banta sodas. This is the blueberry and this is the orange. Epic. Super epic. This is Fanta and this is... Anyways, so coming to the overall review of this restaurant, I would definitely recommend anyone who is in love with seafood, especially the Andhra style seafood. So the overall review would be 4.5/5. So please do come out here, guys. Please do check out this restaurant. It's in Madhapur. I don't know the address. I'm going to link it down in the description. But Chapala Pulisu restaurant, you people are doing a great job. Please keep doing that. And love you. Thank you so much for hosting us. And bye bye. So see you in the next video. Boom. Bang on.